Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a really simple eye look using just a couple colors, and I want you to follow along. So I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm going to be using. These are the two brushes that you will need. You will need, the first one will be your all over base shadow. I like this one because it's short and dense. I think I got it in a set at Sephora. And this one is called an eye shader. It is from Sigma, it's an E55, and it's pretty much the same as this one, but like a baby version. So we're gonna use that to smudge out our eye today. So the two colors that we're going to use are Mocha Java Shadow Sense and Garnet Shadow Sense. So kind of neutral brown colors, really good for every day. Mocha Java is also the one that I use to fill my eyebrows. So the first thing you're gonna do is take this large shader brush, an all over brush, and your Mocha Java shadow, and you're just gonna brush a little bit onto your brush. And then you're gonna put it all over your lid. Shadow Sense works best if you don't have anything else on your eye. That'll help so that it doesn't crease. So don't put your foundation on your eye, because that can cause creasing. Okay, next up we're going to take the Garnet Shadow Sense and the smaller Sigma shader. So this is the E55 from Sigma. And we're just gonna put a little bit on the end of this brush and put it kind of along your lash line. Almost like you're doing liner, but not quite as precise. Now you're gonna go back in with that big brush and just blend them. Okay, next up, I'm going to curl my lashes. And then I'm going to take the brown lash sense. And there you have it. A super simple everyday eye look with only 2 colors. If you like this video and you want to see more, hit subscribe below. Thanks for watching.